Mr. Nambiar, let's just stick to this series. You tell me in this series, what is
their
objective?
I have not completed actually. Sanket, I have not completed. Actually.
Yeah, I'll come back to you, Mr. Bamla. One moment. Yes. Mr. Nambiar.
Okay.
Sanket, such a casual way, all the panelists, including you, have presented this whole topic. I feel seriously feeling very sad being a Hindu, that if my God is being predicted, portrayed in such a bad light, कोई त्रिशूल पकड़ के गाली दे रहे हैं और आपको उसके कोई आपत्ति नहीं है, तो मुझे आपत्ति है। मुझे लगता है कि मेरे विश्वास के ऊपर किसी को
भी गाली दी? Can you tell me which? See, have you seen the series?
I have seen the series.
Okay, so I have also seen the series. Can you tell me which part was there an abuse?
आपको मैं बता देता हूँ ना संकेत, मैं आपको बता देता हूँ। सबा नकवी जी ने बोला कि
if there was a gali, I would have joined you in criticizing. I would have joined you. I would have said that this is in fact, I'm telling you, it's a terrible series.
I can tell you. You want
Sabha
me to hear
and I agree with you. It's a terrible series.
Make you hear that?
Yeah.
Sanket, I can make you hear that right now on my phone. I will tell you the first scene wherein the Shiva was shot. Firstly, let me ask you this. Why this making Hindu god and goddesses and mocking them is becoming a fashion? Why not the other religions are not being treated in the same level?
Mr. Nambiar, did you hear Mayank Shekhar? I guess we were far more progressive in the 80s.
Don't treat it such a light way, Sanket.
Mr. Nambiar, this is not a light conversation. It's a very serious conversation. And that's why I'm asking you. Mr. Nambiar, one moment. Let's calm down because I can outshout you. I won't. Let's have a calm and peaceful conversation.
Okay.
You tell me, one moment. Mr. Nambiar, you said that there was something objectionable, right? The manner in which Hindu gods were treated. This is a work of art, right? You can take objection. No, one moment. You can take objection. You can. It is your right to take objection. It is not your right to create a situation where you will become a touch-me-not, where you will become chui-mui, that every little thing will hurt you, so much so that you want to file FIRs, jail people. By this logic, you should retrospectively file an FIR against the makers of Jaane Bhi Do Yaaro also. Do it.
Sanket, now you will give me a minute and you
like retrospective tax, you file a retrospective FIR.
I am not going to talk about the FIR, which is right or wrong. There is nothing. But then
that's exactly what I am talking about. You want to take objection to the series? I also object to the series. It's a very poor series. Its storyline is poor, but that is no reason. That is no reason to file an FIR.
Some of them are bad. We are not talking about that. Whether it is a poorly, creatively done work, how does it matter to all of us? We are not going to. We don't discuss that in national television. That if a movie or an OTT movie is been released is doing bad. Give me 1 minute. I just wanted to ask you one simple question.
Sure.
The kind of way we have been treating this as such a light way. Tell me one reason why the Hindu god or Hindu belief system is being mocked in one after another.
Can you name other examples?
Can I get it?
This country has got more than 25% or 26% of Muslims are there in this country.
Why Mr. Nambiar, you know what? I don't understand. Can you please give me specifics? Mr. Nambiar, can you give me specifics? Or is this also another version of love jihad?
This is not at all the right thing. Making Hindu god and goddesses and mocking
I want to
them.
Say something.
Mr. Nambiar, one more. Sabha Naqvi wants to come in. Okay, fine. See, Mr. Nambiar has a sentiment. I have to respect the fact that he has the sentiment.
But Muslim population is 14%. Yeah. I have felt very ashamed, even though I'm a liberal Indian. I feel very ashamed when I hear about bans.
Order, please, one by one.
आपको इतना कैजुअली आप सभा जी आप कह सकते हैं कि यार
मैं बोल रही हूँ आपको पॉपुलेशन बता रही हूँ आप मेरी बात सुन लीजिए फिर आप कह दीजिए मैं तमीज से कह रही हूँ 14% है 25 नहीं है मुसलमान आपको सुकून मिलेगा कि सिर्फ 14% मुस्लिम है इंडिया में अभी 25 नहीं हुए अब मेरी बात सुन लीजिए
आराम से
मैं मुस्लिम के खिलाफ बोलने वाली हूँ आप खुश हो जाएंगे
one by one please Mr. Nambiar one by one
Sanket I'll make the point here I feel very ashamed
very quickly
I have felt very ashamed when I've heard of bans on books I am a complete liberal. I felt very ashamed and I was so glad that I lived in a country where you had Jane Bhi Do Yaro, where you had bhajans written by Shakil Badayuni, music made by Naushad, sung by Muhammad Rafi. I was proud of all that. But now we are living in a different country. I feel ashamed. I feel ashamed when clerics ask ki uske khilaf Charlie Hebdo, when they issue fatwas. I feel very ashamed as a citizen of the world, as a human being, as a thinking person. So I'm amazed at all of these people who are who want to be like this.
Yeah.
They are getting offended over nothing.
Yes,
so
very
that's
quickly,
all I have
Mayank
to say
Shekhar.
to this gentleman.
Nothing.
Mayank Shekhar, very quickly. One moment. I think Mayank Shekhar raised a very important point. He is saying that there is some nefarious design. Mr. Nambiar, Mayank Shekhar says that this is nothing but a strategy, that you are objecting to this because you want to control
I run
OTTs.
an advertising agency. I understand the meaning of what is freedom of expression. I understand the meaning of what is creativity. You don't tell me this, what is creativity. So, I have hundreds of people working me in my own advertising agency. I understand that. What is all problem here is, Sanket, is that एक कोई शिव भगवान का रूप बना के मौकरी बनाकर आप त्रिशूल लेके गाली देते हो एंड आप कहते हो उसको क्रिएटिविटी
बंद कर दीजिए
माय डियर फ्रेंड
नहीं बंद कर दीजिए आप मॉडल पुलिस बन गए
by the way the makers have apologized and I don't know, I have seen the series completely. मुझे तो गाली नहीं दिखी opening scene में.
I have seen two. I will show you right now on the show right now. You just take this the first scene in the movie wherein आप एक डायलॉग तो सुन लो ना. आजकल राम जी का ज्यादा चल रहा है, राम जी का फॉलोवर्स बहुत ज्यादा बन रहा है, शिव जी क्यों पीछे पड़ा हुआ है. कम ऑन संकेत, दिस मच ऑफ
कल को आप बच्चों के फैंसी ड्रेस में भी प्रॉब्लम करेंगे.
क्यों नहीं?
Tomorrow you will raise. See, there is no end to this. Very quickly, Mayank Shekhar.
Sanket, on a serious note, Sanket, one thing I wanted to ask you, Sanket. The only thing is that why, whenever we talk about, I consider myself as a liberal person. I am not a fundamentalist.
Please don't call yourself liberal, sir. After all that,
but
please.
But one thing why I wanted to tell you
also.
Is that no, I'm only saying that why this freedom of expression, freedom of creativity only comes when you mock on Hindu god and goddesses. Why only an attack on the Hindu system?
Let's get it a response. I'm running out of time. Mayank